Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy Halloween treat. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make some bats, and for that you're going to need some Oreos, Reese's cups, black icing, and you're going to need some edible decorating eyes. The first thing you're going to do is unwrap your Reese's peanut butter cup, but don't take it out of the liner. Then you're going to add some of the black icing on top, just enough so the wing could stick. Next, you're going to take one of your Oreo and twist it open, and you're going to take the side without the cream and break that in half, and then you're going to set it on top of the icing, and you want to set it with the curved side in. Make two little dots on the bottom of the wing. And that's where you're going to put your eyes. So then you just take your eyes and just put them right on there. These are just so cute, and they just couldn't be more easy to make. I'll do a couple more so you can see. To not waste the Oreo, I like to use the other side and just take a knife and scrape off the cream, and then just break it in half and put it on there. If you're interested in some more Halloween treats, be sure to check out my Halloween playlist. I'm going to leave it linked below for you. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. Well, here are all my bats. Aren't they so cute? I'm here doing my voiceover, and I just had to stop and laugh because my hubby would do anything to make my videos good. I knew he was in the kitchen with a fishing line and a plastic bat, but I didn't know what he was doing. So now I see. Ooh, scary. Look at this bat. Oh my gosh. Oh, he was in there with his fishing line. Oh my goodness. But thanks to him, because my videos wouldn't be this fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.